Padlocks seem to be very popular at the moment, and in today's video we're going to show you how we're going to disassemble and reassemble this, which is the Yale 850 bronze padlock. Keep watching. Here we go. First of all, let's obviously take the padlock out of the box. Pop the box there for a second. Yeah, that's just out the box and the key doesn't want to go in. How about that? Lovely padlock this. So, first of all, unlock the padlock and we take the Allen key and we remove this tiny grub screw here. I'm just going to pop it in that tub there for safekeeping. From there, with the padlock unlocked, the shackle will just pop out. Pop that there as well. And I'm going to take out the spring and that ball bearing. That's actually one of the ball bearings sits in a little hole in there. Don't know if you can see that, but it sits in a little hole in there. And that's what actually keeps the padlock shackle in place when it's locked. Having done that, take the keys out. There's a small screw down the bottom of the shackle hole. Which we need to undo. Once it's out, it's not out yet. How embarrassing is that? There we go. Take that out. That. And then the screw there. Keep it all in there. And from there, the core just falls out. With this padlock core, quite handy. I don't have to disassemble the whole thing. All I need to do is to turn the barrel 180 degrees, and we've got holes there which line up. And I can get rid of all 5 of those, and we can set those aside because we don't need them anymore. Taking the new key, and obviously I've worked out these pinnings before, because you don't want to sit and watch me do trial and error to find the right pin combination for this lock. So there we go. And there you can see that works nice and smoothly. Next step then is to reinsert it in the padlock body. Goes in like that. Don't actually need the key in. I'll take that out. Pop the protector plate over the top. Now with that, that needs that small ball bearing in there as a pressure. Now this has got flat sides, so it will only go in one way up, and obviously I've got to do that with that upright, otherwise the ball bearing will fall out. And there it goes. Once it's in there, always the way you'd lose these tiny components if you're not very careful. Thankfully, I've got some spare. quite a fiddly job, as you can see. Once the stars align, do that up nice and tight. And of course the ball bearing has come out, but we should be okay without it, in fairness. Pop that spring back in. Now, here comes the next tricky part. To have the key in, pop the ball bearing back in so that it falls into its hole, and if it goes too far it gets caught up in that spring and you have to start again. There we go, nice and in there. Turn the key so that's in the unlock position and the shackle pops back in. From there it's just a case of securing the shackle in using the little set screw. Now it's important with this not to over tighten that screw, and I'll show you why. That's in there tight. Wrong way around. Turn the key and the shackle doesn't pop out, basically because there's too much friction. If I release that a little bit, shackle pops out. There we have it. We have a nice working Yale padlock. If you found this video helpful, it would be really helpful to us if you could like or follow or subscribe to us on your favourite social media platform. Thank you.